been using this setup for about 2 weeks now, and it's been working out great. The brand sent this out to me to test out and give you guys my honest review. So if you're looking for a simple way to charge your phone, your watch, your AirPods, all in one place, this is a really solid setup. I love that they sent the charging block with this device, because a lot of times when you get stuff now, they just give you the USB-C cord and then you have to go search around your house for a charging block. This is a great setup also for traveling, because you can fold it up and stick it in a backpack or your purse. You can see how small it is. I mean, it pretty much fits in my hand. There's also a built-in light, which I didn't think I'd use very much at night, but it provides a soft night light, and it's touch control with this little button on the back. When you're actually charging, it lights up blue, which is really pretty. But again, if that light bothers you, you can simply turn it off with that little button in the back. If you don't need to use the AirPod charger or the Apple Watch charger, you can even charge your phone in the flat position, leaving it folded. I've probably reviewed 4 or 5 different types of phone chargers like this, and this one so far has been one of my favorites, not only because it's super cute, but it's just really sturdy. Like, it feels like it's made really well. And I love how portable it is. So if you're still not convinced, go ahead and check out the reviews. They have a ton of solid, positive reviews. I think it's coming in at the time of this video at a 4.5 rating out of over 2,000 reviews. So pretty solid item here.